Time for some barbecue. Går jag det? Two-stroke racing. Yeah. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this episode we're gonna show you when the new engine that we put in Denmark, it broke down just outside France. So we had to strap the outboard engine on the bathing ladder so we just could manage to take us into the docks and maybe get some spare parts to the new engine. There was no spare parts, so we continued with the outboard engine and fixed the engine on our way towards the Bay of Biscay. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good time.
Hello, my name is Kent and welcome to SV Free Soul. I'm a sailor, a mechanic and a welder. I'm dreaming of sailing around the world with my own boat. But I work against the time when I have a back problem called bamboo spine. And I know that one day I will not be able to sail anymore. Before this day comes, I have a lot to see to explore.
Time for some barbecue. Better do it when the wind is gone. No sails. After the barbecue, it was time for some reading and relaxing in the sun. And just like that, the engine broke down, so we have to build this block to put on the bathing steps, so we can put the outboard engine there. Lucky for me, I had a ratcheting strap on board so I can secure the engine. We went straight ahead into the docks to find some spare parts, but after a long night and searching we didn't find anything, so we went out again trying to fix the engine on the way.
We've said our goodbyes, but we won't go home just yet. You got your head down, just like when we first met. I can't believe it's ending. Why did we f*** it up?
It wasn't really strong currents, we only had the outboard strapped on the back.
We've said our goodbyes, but we won't go home just
Here comes the rain. After the sunshine, always you have the rain. And we just passed 666 nautical miles. So this is a day's trip. Starting over there and here. Also, currents just took us like one trip back up again. Now we're on our way back.
give me your love now before it runs out. Kiss me like you used to do before it all went down. It wasn't easy, but somehow you fell for me.
We decided not to go back to France, so we made another attempt to reach the Bay of Biscay.
You were my clarity. I can't believe it's ending. Why did we f*** it up? So stupid and upsetting. How can After a good night's sleep, I tried to fix
the rocker arms that broke. I thought well ahead, so I brought a lot of tools for the trip. I tried to straighten up the rocker arms, but it was cast iron, so it just split in two. The plan is to put a 8mm bolt just through the rocker arms and hold it in place. So I had to drill a hole in about 8.5mm wide. I used a smaller drill just to punch out the small metal ball that blocked the oil canal. Then it was time to drill the other piece of the rocker arms.
Baby, I've seen all your tears. Now I'm in your blood, now I'm in your blood. You know I'm like a childhood friend, and finally we meet again.
That was the plan.
It was some tricky business to assemble all the parts to the rocker arms.
Like it, love.
Then you'll remember me. I'll take it slow, but before you know, we'll be in the flow.
And here you have the final results of the work, and we also had to take off some pieces inside the valve cover to have space for the bolts and everything. Put in the pushing rods, the rocker arms and the valve covers, and then it was time to test start to see if everything is working. Let's see if it starts. After the engine was fixed, we tidied up the boat, and then they had a really smooth sail the rest of the day. And in the afternoon it started blowing a lot, so I had to make dinner inside on the stove. So I had flank steak with onions and potato salad. And after dinner, Jari took care of the dishes and I steered the boat. The last night before we passed Brest, we had a really rough weather and we ended up just in the middle of a big submarine exercise. But everything managed to be okay, so we just continued our sail. We had a really beautiful sail all the way over the Bay of Biscay to La Coruna. And for the last day at sea, before we came to La Coruna, we had dolphins all around the boat all day. Land ho! We have arrived to La Coruna, and in the next episode you will see us go into the docks and stay there for a night and have a crew change.